The housefly is one of the most hated and common pests in the world. They can be found in any location around the world and will infest homes quickly if they detect any rotting or decaying organic matter. Because houseflies feed and breed in rotting material, they can spread harmful bacteria to people and animals, transporting pathogens everywhere they go, so it's important to perform proper housefly control. If you'd like to shop the professional products in this video and learn even more about housefly control, click the card on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. For proper control, you need to first identify housefly activity. Houseflies are often mistaken for other fly types, like cluster flies. They might look the same, but require different control techniques. The common housefly is typically around 1/4 of an inch in length. They are usually gray or black in color, with stripes on their backs. They have 2 short wings that do not overlap. They're attracted to moisture and rotting organic matter, so they can be found in or around trash cans, spoiled food, feces, or compost piles. To get control of houseflies, first sanitize your home. Regularly take out the trash, keeping the garbage in a sealed bin. Clean countertops frequently. Clear grease off stovetops. And sweep or mop as often as you can. If you have pets, pick up or spray down dog droppings and clean cat litter every day. Next, use a combination of fly lights, glue traps, and insecticides. Use musky stick fly traps to capture flies. This is an insecticide-free trap that uses a combination of bright orange paper, glue, and a pheromone attractant to lure and trap the flies. Sprinkle the supplied attractant into the catch basin at the end of the stick. Then hang this in areas you have seen housefly activity. The flies will be attracted to the stick, land on it, and then get stuck, unable to fly away and eventually dying. If you have flies in a commercial property, you can also use the Mantis fly light trap. This is a lightweight, ready-to-use fly light that uses 2 bright UV lights to attract flies. This fly light does not zap the flies, but instead lures them to a glue board positioned behind the bulbs where they'll get stuck, unable to fly away. Finally, use Pyrid aerosol as a contact spray to kill any remaining flies. This is a pyrethrin aerosol that provides quick contact kills. Pyrid's also great for eliminating many different pests. Spray the Pyrid where you see fly activity. Pyrid does not have a residual, so flies must come into contact with the spray to be effective. You could use a fogger, but we recommend Pyrid for its ease of use and the freedom to spray where you want. Prevent houseflies from returning by keeping your property as clean as possible. Continue to take out the trash, clean kitchens, and minimize decaying organic material. Houseflies are disgusting and harmful pests, but you can control them yourself with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. We guarantee these products will help you get control of your housefly problem, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. If you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.